Today in English class we learn the fill in the blanks or beginning sound of giving picture. Let's we write here the given picture is apple. The beginning sound of apple is A. Double P A P P L E apple. Cup. The beginning sound of cup is K. C U P cup. Okay, and this is the picture of pencil. P is the beginning sound of pencil, pencil. Okay, and book. This is the beginning sound of B for book, B double O K book, double O B double O K book. This is bag, B for bag, BAG bag. Okay, and mat, M for mat, MAT mat, PAN pan. The beginning sound of pan is PAN pan. This is bat, B for bat, BAT bat. And this is sun, SUN sun, SUN sun. Okay, S for sun. This is cat. The beginning sound of cat is K, CAT cat. Or this is rat, RAT rat, R for rat. Okay, this is the fill in the blanks or beginning sound of given picture. I repeat this: APPLE apple, CUP cup, PENCIL pencil, BOOK book. Okay, BAG bag. Okay, MAT mat, PAN pan, BAT bat, SUN sun, CAT cat. Okay, or RAT rat. These are the fill in the blanks of giving picture or complete the spelling of the giving picture. Okay, please share and subscribe my channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz.